channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this Alia Bhatt inspired makeup look. I've tried to keep this all drugstore and also very wearable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's move on to the video. I'm starting off with the NEUTROGENA sunscreen because this is a daytime look. I'm not going to use a primer for this video because the sunscreen already does the job of the primer. Using the Garnier BB cream, I'm just going to put it all over my face because Alia did not have too much coverage going on. So I'm just going to keep the look really natural. And I'm going to blend it out with my fingers to warm the product. For my concealer, I'm going to use the LA Pro Conceal. And I'm going to put it under my eyes just to counteract the darkness. I'm also putting it on my chin and mouth area, and then using the warmth of my fingers, I'm going to blend it out. This is a very lightweight concealer, so it will not make you look cakey. Using the PAC sponge, I'm going to ensure that everything is well blended into my skin and looks very natural. For a highlighting concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes as well as over them, on my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, as well as my chin and mouth area. And then using the same PAC sponge, I'm just going to blend it out for a seamless effect. For my powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact, and taking a small fluffy brush, I'm going to concentrate it under my eyes just to set them in place. And then taking a large powder brush, I'm also lightly setting the rest of the face. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Innisfree Eyebrow Pencil. Taking the spoolie side, I'm just going to brush out my brows, and then I'm going to start filling them in. I'm going a little more heavy with the brows because Alia has really full brows and I'm trying to achieve that. I'm taking the mascara to just give the brows a really feathered out effect. Next, for my eyes, I'm going to use this sugar palette, and taking this pink matte shade, I'm going to concentrate it on the crease area, and I'm just patting the color in. And then I'm using the same brush to just blend it out slightly. Using a bigger fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend it even more to ensure that there are no harsh edges. Taking the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette, I'm taking this pink shade and I'm going to concentrate it over the inner third of my eyelids. And I'm also blending it out simultaneously. Using this shimmery pink shade, I'm taking it on my fingers and I'm going to press it on my eyelids to ensure that I get maximum color payoff, and this makes for a gorgeous eyeshadow look. And then I'm just going to tightline my upper and lower waterline using a kajal. Curling my lashes. And then I'm using the same Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I'm just gonna apply a lot of mascara on my eyelashes because Alia did not have any false lashes for this look, so all our natural lashes for this one. Using this Wet n Wild contour palette, which is very beaten up, I'm taking it on a contour brush and putting it on the hollows of my cheekbones as well as my jawline to just give a bronzed effect. I'm not going too much with the contour because I want it to be very natural like Alia's. For my blush, I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and I'm gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. And we're going a little heavy-handed with the blush because Alia had a lot of blush in the picture. For my highlight, I'm gonna use these two shades from what is remaining of a Makeup Revolution highlighter palette, and I'm putting it all over the high points of my face. I'm also highlighting my collarbones. For my inner corners, I'm going to use the same highlight on a sponge tip applicator, and I'm also putting it on my brow bone. Then I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible setting spray, which smells really bad, but it gets better in a few seconds. So for my lips, I'm using the Lakme 95 Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Plum Feather, because this is very similar to what Alia wore in the inspiration picture. By the way, all the shades and the products will be mentioned in the description box below. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.